Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our channel. Topic still with TOEFL structure and written expressions. And our skill focus today is the irregular ER, structure. In the previous video, we have learned the comparative and the superlative forms. Okay, let's see. Maybe just to remind you the last video. Alright, and the irregular, comparative, and superlative, for example, good, it becomes better than for the comparative, and then for the superlative, become the best. Okay, and then bad becomes worse than for the comparative, and then for the superlative, the worst. Okay, alright, and then little for the comparative becomes less than, and then the superlative becomes the least. The least. Okay, and then many or much becomes more than, and then the most for the superlative. All right. So now we will learn the irregular comma, and then structure. So the two parallel comparatives introduced by the. Let's see the form here. Yeah. First, the blah 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 are, or the more blah blah blah, and then subject plus verb, comma. Yeah. The, and then or the more, and then plus subject and verb. Okay, so the sentence before the comma and after the comma must have the same structure. Okay, and then the second, let's pay attention here. The, and then blah 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 and then or the more blah blah blah, and then plus noun, and then comma, the, and then or the more, and then blah 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 noun. Yeah, also the same, the statement before comma and after the comma must be of the same structure. All right. Yeah. Okay, so there is a note here for this structure. No connector, just use a comma between the two clauses. Okay, all right. Now let's see the example. Example number 1. Okay, the hotter the food is, comma, the harder it is to eat. Okay, pay attention to the form. The hotter. Okay, using the comparative, but we use the. Start with the. The hotter the food is, so subject and verb, and then comma, the harder it is to eat. Yeah, the harder, also comparative, but start with the word the, and then it is subject and then verb. Right? Okay, and then let's see the second example. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Okay, if you remember this song, maybe just to remind you. Okay, the more, that is, okay, the comparative, and then we get together, we, that is the subject, and then get, that is the verb, and then the comma. After the comma, pay attention, the happier we will be. So the happier, that is the comparative, happier, but for what is it, with the yeah, before the comparatives. So the happier we will be. Okay, we, that is as a subject, and then will be as a verb. Alright. Another example, okay. The more you use the phone, the higher the bill will be. Yeah, also the same. So the more, that is the comparative, okay, preceded by the, yeah, with the. And then you use you as a subject and then use as a verb. And then after that we have comma. After the comma, also the higher, that is the comparative, and then the bill, that is the subject, will be is the verb. Alright? And then let's have another example here with a noun. Okay. The greater the experience, comma, the higher the salary. Right? So the greater, that is the comparative. Okay. Comparative, but we use the. And then the experience, that is the noun, the subject only. And then the higher, that is the comparative. Okay, but okay, using the also. And then the salary, that is also the noun or the subject only. So this sentence does not have a verb, yeah, but this structure is a correct English structure. Okay. So let's see the example number 1, that is sentence completion. Okay, blah blah blah. In Stevenson's landscape, comma, the more vitality and character the paintings seem to possess. All right. Okay. So let's see the second part of the sentence after the comma. All right. The more, okay, that is the comparative forms, and then preceded by the, yeah, the more, okay, and then vitality and character, the paintings, that is the subject, and then seem, the verb. All right, yeah. So which one among the choices A, B, C, or D that best complete the sentence? All right, now let's see. So we have the more and then plus subject and verb. Yeah. So which one that is using the same structure? Okay, the more and the or, D, and then blah 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 er. Which one? A, B, C, or D? Okay. Now let's see. A. Okay. A, the breastwork is loose. Yeah. So this is subject and then the verb. Yeah. Subject, the verb. All right. And then B, we have the looser breastwork. Okay. We have the comparative and then the subject only without the verb. And then C, the loose breastwork is. The loose brushwork is the subject and then is the verb. So it's not the same structure as in the test. And then what about D? The looser the brushwork is. Yeah, the looser the brushwork is. Yeah, so we have the comparative, the looser, and then the brushwork is a subject, and then is the verb. So the answer is D. Alright? Okay. Okay, now let's come to the second example, that is error identification. Okay, so which part of this sentence that is wrong? Yeah. Okay, that is incorrect. A, B, C, or D. Okay. Pay attention to the example here. The sooner the exam is scheduled, comma, the least time you have to prepare. Okay. Okay, now let's see the underlined words. Okay, A, the exam. Okay, the exam is the subject of this sentence. Yeah, of the first part of the sentence, the exam. And then the verb is. So the exam is the subject singular, and then the verb is. So exam is correct. And what about B, scheduled? Yeah, scheduled. And then preceded by is. Yeah, before the word scheduled, there is the word is. So scheduled must be the past participle. Okay, or verb 3, part of the verbs, scheduled. Yeah, plus ed. Okay, verb 3 for the regular ones. And then after the comma, pay attention, the least time you have to prepare. Okay, the least time you have to prepare. In this structure, you have, okay, the first part, that is the sooner. Yeah, so it must be, what is it? The comparative, not the superlative. The least is the superlative form. Okay, the least is the superlative form from the word little, and then the superlative form is the least. So must be the comparative form. So what is it? The less, not the least. Okay, so which one that is wrong among A, B, C or D? Okay, that is wrong or that is incorrect is C. So the answer is C. Alright, if you still have some question, you can ask, okay, and write your question in the comment below. Okay, if it is useful for you, you can share to your friends. Okay, see you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.